Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 12th of May 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.15. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 1.71%. This equates to an average return of 0.24% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is situated at the upper part of a broad and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents an attractive selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $546.63 would initially signal a slower rate of decline and may indicate the first signs of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 2.60% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 19.60% to negative 2.29%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 5.82%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 10.60% and positive 10.99% over the next year. This would place the future price somewhere between $487.17 and $604.80. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for VOO ETF, after losing 0.355%. The VOO ETF price fell by 0.355% on the last day, Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, from $546.87 to $544.93. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.84% from a day low of $541.99 to a day high of $546.56. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.09% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a good sign, as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 811,000 shares, and in total, 6 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3 billion and $1 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, and the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price is 3.36%, or $18.97, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500, which includes the VOO exchange-traded fund, ended a 6-day winning streak as technology stocks pulled back and energy sectors lagged. This retreat comes as investors prepare for upcoming inflation data and signals from the Federal Reserve that could influence future market movements. The recent change in market direction underscores a growing concern among traders that the recent rally may pause without a clearer catalyst for additional gains. Interestingly, despite these declines, the VOO exchange-traded fund attracted substantial inflows last week, collecting over $31 billion in new capital, with U.S. equity exchange-traded funds leading this influx. This surge indicates strong confidence in the market's long-term prospects, suggesting that investors are positioning themselves for potential growth, particularly against a backdrop of fluctuating earnings expectations, projecting a 14.8% year-over-year growth in S&P 500 earnings. In the short term, the VOO price could face volatility as traders respond to upcoming economic data and Federal Reserve announcements. However, this might present a buying opportunity for long-term investors if corrections occur. As market participants await clarity, sentiment remains cautiously optimistic regarding the potential for recovery in the broader market, supporting the future performance of the VOO exchange-traded fund. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $542.28 and $506.90. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Monday, May 19, 2025, and thus far the price has declined by 0.355%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 51 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $499.10 and $465.52. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this is breached, the fund may decline to the next support level. In this situation, VOO finds support just below today's level at $499.10. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $465.52 and $463.56. This fund exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with substantial trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated $4.57 between its high and low, which is a movement of 0.84%. For the past week, the fund has experienced a daily average volatility of 0.94%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $546.33. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a significant point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $499.10. If this support level holds firm, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $525.89, which reflects a decrease of 3.49%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 82, which significantly elevates the risk factor. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? While the overall trend of the ETF is declining, several short-term indicators suggest a potential buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 21st of May, we expect VOO to open lower by approximately 0.437 of a dollar, starting at $544.49. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. and it's essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.